In front of me is OPPO Reno6 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this OPPO. Firstly, you need to locate calendar and tap on it. Then click on the month above over here and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one, like that one. Now you need to click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select event. Then you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, you can add a title, pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by clicking on the switcher next to all day. You can also select people from your contact book, choose add location, type wherever you wish to and tap on the chosen one. Tap on add notification, pick one of those options or select custom and create your own. And even take notes. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to get rid of it, you can always tap on it and click on those three dots at the top right corner. From here, select delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!